Godwin with WaterWorld magazine, coming to you from the show floor at WEFTEC 2014 in New Orleans. Talking with me today is Phil Thompson. He's the managing director of iota, which is the commercial arm of Southeast Water in Australia.
Yeah.
Right? Now, I understand that you have recently embarked on a really big project to get your customers off of septic.
Correct.
Right? Tell us a little bit more about that.
So we've got 1.6 million customers, and we had a number that were remaining on septic, and we wanted to. We made the decision to take them off septic, and that was a catalyst to roll out a 16,000 property backlog program. And because of that volume, we were able to develop a piece of technology that enables us to control all those 16,000 pumps and pump installations through a low-pressure sewer design. And also that's given us a disproportionate impact on our ability to service our customers, and the whole customer interface is so much better because of it. And again, because of that volume, it's enabled us to develop this technology, which, having developed it now, it saved us, the project was worth $500 million, and it saved $150 million in capital reduction, because we could reduce the size of the pipe, the treatment plant, and the whole project cost was a huge savings.
That's amazing. Yeah. So at what point are we in the project? Has it started, or is it?
We're rolling it out as we speak. So equally, to leverage off that, we've got a reciprocal relationship with E1. They were awarded the contractors to supply the 16,000 pumps in Australia. So we've got a very collaborative and exciting relationship with E1.
That is very exciting.
Equally, they're taking this technology into America, and this is part of this event here to launch this into North America.
Right, and it really sets E1 apart in the marketplace.
Absolutely.
Excellent. So maybe we can talk a little bit about the technology specifically.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do is hand over to Vanessa, our Senior Development Engineer, and she can run us through how it works and some of the primary features of it.
Excellent.
Okay, thank you.
So joining me now is Vanessa Lanahan. She's a Senior Development Engineer with iota. Thank you very much for joining us.
Great, thank you.
So we want to talk a little bit more about the specifics of the technology. What can you tell us about this?
This technology is a control panel that goes with the E1 pumps, and what it enables to do, it's got some smart controls within it, and these smart controls have enabled us to optimise our capital costs, really reduce our operating costs, and really improve our customer experience for our system. So the OneBox has got a very cool feature called peak flow smoothing, which instead of having a normal diurnal pattern that you get through your system, smooths it out over 24 hours, and that's where we've been able to achieve significant savings, contributing to that 150 million. So that peak flow smoothing has achieved 70 million of that 150 million saving. So it is quite significant.
Yeah.
In terms of operational, the alarms are sent out either SMS, email, we get reports generated so we can see what's going on in the system. And because the operator's got visibility of those tanks and the levels, they can schedule repairs for the next working day. And the best thing about it is that when there is an issue, the customers actually don't know about it. So we get the alarms and we respond, and the customer doesn't have to ring up and tell us there's a problem, and that has been the biggest benefit of the system.
Wow, that's fantastic. It really makes the whole maintenance process more efficient, and interfacing with your customers is much more pleasant, I'm sure.
Yes, absolutely. It's also allowed us to combine pressure sewer into gravity systems, and we're actually seeing this now as, because it's such a smart sewage system, that it could almost replace some of our gravity systems, and that is actually a big step forward.
Wow, fantastic. Well, we wish you all the best of luck going forward.
Thank you so
much for being with us.
Thank you.
For WaterWorld magazine, I'm Angela Godwin.